Solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0 by factorization. The given equation is already in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals negative 24. To factorize the equation, we need to find two numbers whose product is ac equals negative 24 and whose sum is b equals 2. Let's list out the possible factor pairs of negative 24 and their sums. The only pair that satisfies the condition is negative 4 and 6, since their sum is 2, which equals the coefficient b. Therefore, the factored form of the equation is x minus 4, x plus 6, equals 0. To solve for x, we set each factor equal to 0. X minus 4 equals 0, where x equals 4. X plus 6 equals 0, where x equals minus 6. Thus, the solutions to the equation are x equals 4 and x equals minus 6. Here is another example on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 by factorization. The given equation is already in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6. To factorize the equation, we need to find two numbers whose product is ac equals 6 and whose sum is b equals 5. Let's list out the possible factor pairs of 6 and their sums. The only pair that satisfies the condition is 2 and 3, since their sum is 5, which equals the coefficient b. Therefore, the factored form of the equation is x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. To solve for x, we set each factor equal to 0. X plus 2 equals 0, where x equals minus 2. X plus 3 equals 0, where x equals minus 3. Thus, the solutions to the equation are x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 3. Let's solve one more quadratic equation. 2x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. Finding two numbers whose product and sum satisfies the condition to expand our equation, we get 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. 2x times x minus 2 plus 3 times x minus 2 equals 0. Factoring out common factors, 2x plus 3, x minus 2 equals 0. Thus, the solutions to the equation are x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 3 over 2. In this tutorial, we have provided a step-by-step guide on how to solve quadratic equations by factorization. We have explained the process of factorizing a quadratic equation and have provided examples to illustrate the method. We have also shown how to find the factors of a quadratic expression and how to use these factors to solve the equation. We hope this tutorial will help you understand how to solve quadratic equations by factorization and will provide you with the confidence to tackle more complex equations. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to factorize quadratic expressions and solve equations of the form x squared plus bx plus c equals 0.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.